It's okay to feel lost sometimes. The truth is that you owe nothing to your younger self, but you owe everything to your present self. When I was younger, I used to think that feeling lost was something to be ashamed of. Now I realize it's the normal course of life, because life is not a straight line that goes from A to B. It's a canvas of circles and waves, ups and downs, highs and lows. It's a journey of self-discovery and creation. We paint it with a set of colors and then restroke it with another. Life is transformative, my friend.